In this lecture, we discuss about permutation of group. So, what is the definition of permutation of group? So, definition here. So, very simple definition. That S be a non-empty finite set. Be a non-empty finite set. Non-empty finite set having n distinct element, n distinct elements, then the one-to-one mapping, so that is F from set S to itself, yes, is called a permutation of, is called permutation of degree n. Okay. So what is the permutation of a group? So what is the definition? Let S be a non-empty set of finite a non-empty finite set of n distinct elements. Then the mapping, then the one-to-one mapping F from S to itself is called permutation of degree n. So what is the symbol of permutation? Symbol of permutation. So how to denote the permutation here? So what is the symbol? Let S be a set. Let S be a set of elements. So that is A1, A2, A3, an. N elements are there. Having n distinct element. Having n distinct elements. Okay, distinct elements, and F is a S to S. F is a mapping from S to S is 1 1 and onto. Is 1-to-1 and onto mapping. Okay, then F is a permutation of degree n. Then F is a permutation of degree n. So let F of A1 is equal to, so F is a function from S to S. S is a set of finite set of n distinct elements. S is a set, and F is a one-to-one mapping and onto mapping also. Then, and the function is defined like that. F of A1. A1 is the element from this S. So F of A1 is B1. F of A2 is B2. F of A3 is B3, and so on. F of An is equal to Bn. Okay. Then what is the notation? Then the notation of permutation is what? So that is F is equal to, so function is defined here. So F is equal to, so that is A1, A2, A3 an, and B1, B2, B3, Bn right here. So B1, B2, B3, Bn. Okay. So this is the notation of permutation. So what is the function? S is a set of n distinct elements, and F is one-to-one mapping from S to S. Okay, and the function is given here. F of A1 is equal to B1, F of A2 is equal to B2, F of A3 is equal to B3, dot dot, and so on. F of An is equal to Bn. Then the permutation can be written like that. So this is notation. F is equal to, so that is A1, A2, A3, An, and this is B1, B2, B3, Bn here. So this is very simple. So we can write an example like, so that is we take example S is equal to something 1, 2, 3 is a set here, and F is the function here from S to S defined by. So how to define it? Something, so that is F of 1 is equal to F of 2 is equal to 3, and something F of 3 is equal to 1. Then what is the permutation? For example here, so what is the permutation of this? So that is F is equal to, we write 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3. Then what happened? So what is F of 1 is 2. So 2 right here. F of 2 is 3. F of 3 is 1. So this is the example. So this is the notation of permutation. So we take an example. So what is the equality of two permutation? So now, what is the equality of two permutations? Equality of two permutations. When the two permutations are equal here. So two permutations, what is the definition? Two permutations F and G of degree n. F and G of degree n. Of degree n are said to be equal. Are said to be equal. Are said to be equal if f of a is equal to f of equal if f of a is equal to g of a, where a belongs to S here. Okay, so this is the equality of permutation. So for example, so what is the equality of two permutations? Two permutations F and G of degree n means there are n elements. So are said to be equal if f of a is equal to g of a, where a belongs to yes. So for example, so f is this. For example, so that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, just we take example. So something 3, 2, 1. So that is what happened here. So f1 is, so function f is defined like that. F1 is equal to 3. Then f2 is equal to 2. Or something 1, 2. F2 is equal to 1. And F3 is equal to 2. Okay? So we write this in the notation permutation. So that is 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 2. So this is a permutation. For example, so function defined like that. Okay. So what is G? Another permutation. So that is when the two permutations are equal. So something 1, 2, 3, something 2, 1, 3. So that is 1, then 3 and 2. So F and G are two permutation. Is two permutation are equal? So this is one permutation, this is another permutation. Both they are equal or not? Because they are equal. Here F is equal to G. Why it is? Because F1 is equal to 3. Also, here F1 is equal to 3 here also. F2 is equal to 1. F of 2 is equal to 1. But F of 2 is 1 is also here. So F of 3 is equal to 2. Here also F of 3 is equal to 2. Hence the two permutations are equal. Hence the two permutations are equal. Means Fa is equal to G of A. So what is the Fa is equal to G of A. Hence the two permutations are equal. Okay. Then total number of distinct permutation of degree n. Distinct permutations of degree n. Okay, of degree n. Let S be a finite set. So what is the total number of distinct permutation of degree n? So let S be a finite set. Let S be a finite set having n distinct element. Having n distinct element. Having n distinct elements, then we shall have n factorial distinct permutations are there. N factorial distinct permutations. So of the elements, okay, permutation there, okay. So we take example. So there will be n factorial distinct permutations are there. So we take example. So for example, let S is equal to 1, 2, 3. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. There are three elements, distinct elements. So how many possible permutations are there? How many possible permutations are there? So there are three factorial permutations are there. 3 factorial. That is 6. So 6 permutations are there. So if S is a set and there are n distinct elements, then it has n distinct permutations. Means if S is a set having 3 elements, 3 distinct elements, then it has 3 factorial, means 6. 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6 permutations are there. So what are the permutations are are 3 factorial. So that is 6 here. So Pn, what is Pn? Is called the symmetric set. Set of all permutations of degree n. Okay. So yes is a set 1, 2, 3. So 3 elements. Therefore there are 6 possible permutations are there. So what is the set Pn? So Pn is a set of all permutations. So what is the permutations here? Okay. So you can write easily. So how many permutations are there? 6 permutations are there. So 1, 2, 3. So what is the permutation possible? So that is 1, 2, 3. So this permutation is called identity permutation. So just we define is the next part here. What is the identity permutations? So 1, 2, 3. So that is 2, 1, 3. Then what is the another possibility? 1, 3, 2. Then what? 3, 2, 1. Then 2, 3, 1. Then 3, 1, 2. So there are 6 possible permutations of this set. Yes, having 3 elements. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this set is denoted by Pn. Pn is a set of all permutations. And there are 6 possible permutations of the set. Yes. Okay. So this is a very simple examples. So what is the identity permutation? Identity permutations here. So this permutation is called identity permutation. Okay, so we take a definition, identity permutation. Identity permutation. So what is the identity? If I, capital I, is a permutation of degree n, permutation of degree n. If I is a permutation of degree n, such that I replace each element I replace each element itself, each element by the element itself, by the element itself is called identity permutation. For example, so S is a set of 4 elements like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is the identity permutation? So I is equal to, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the definition of I? Permutation I? I is a permutation of degree n such that, so what is the degree of this? This is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So degree n such that I is replace each element by the element itself. So we write here 1. We write here 2. We write here 3, 4. So this permutation is called identity permutation. This permutation is called identity permutation. So what is the inverse permutation? Inverse permutation. Inverse permutation. Such a permutation is 1-1 onto map. Is 1-1, 1-1 and onto map. And hence it is invertible. And hence it is invertible. Okay? Hence every permutation F has, every permutation F has unique inverse. F has unique inverse and is denoted by and is denoted by F inverse. Okay. So for example, thus what is example for F is what? So F is the permutation given here. Something A1, A2, A3. This is a permutation of degree n. B1, B2, B3, dot Bn. Here function, what is the mapping? F of A1 is B1, F of E2 is B2, F of E3 is B3, and so on. And this function is 1 to 1 and on 2, then F inverse is exist. The function is 1, 1 and on 2. If the function is 1, 1 and on 2 must, then F inverse also exists there. So the F inverse can be written as, so that is B1, B2, dot Bn. So that is A1, A2, An. So this is the inverse of this permutation. This is inverse permutation of this permutation. And this inverse permutation is unique here. Unique. Okay. Then what is the product of or composite of two permutation? So this is the definitions are very simple. Product or composite of two permutations. Of two permutations. So two permutations are given here, F1 something G, F and G are two permutations. Then what is the product of that two permutations here? So it is obtained by first carrying out the operation defined by F and then by G. F and then by G. It is denoted by F dot G. Okay. So what is the product of two permutations? So F and G are two permutations. Then what is the product here? It is obtained by first carrying out the operation defined by F and then by G. It is denoted by F dot G. So we take example. Let F is equal to something A1, A2, A3 dot An and B1, B2, B3 dot Bn. Okay. Then this is a permutation of degree n. And what is G permutation? So that is B1, B2, B3 dot Bn. So C1, C2. So function F defined like that and G like that. Then what is the product of two permutations here? C1, C2, C3 and Cn. So what is F dot G? What is the product of this permutation and this permutation? Then product of this both two permutations E is here. So A1, B1, B1, C1. So that is A1, C1. A1, C1. A2, C2. A3, C3. A3, C3. And so on. An, Cn. So this is the product of two permutations. So for example, let F is the function permutation given here 1, 2, 3 So what is the permutation? 1, 3, 2. And G is the permutation given here like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is equal to 2, 3, 1. So these are the two permutation. Then what is the product of degree 2? So this is a permutation of degree 3. So this is a permutation of degree 3. Then F dot G. So product is also permutation of degree 3 here. Okay. So what is F into G? So that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2 into 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 is equal to. So what is the product of this? So product of this is what? So that is 1 into 1. 1 has to 1, then 1 has to 2, so 1 has to 2. So 1, 2. Then 2 into 2 has to 3 and 3 has to 1. So 2 has to 1. Then 3 has to 2. 2 has to 3. So 2 has to 3. So how it is? 1 has to 1, then 1 has to 2. So 1 has to 2 here. So 2 has to 3. So 3 has to 1. So 2 has to 1 here. 3 has to 2 and 2 has to 3. So 3 has to 2 and 2 has to 3 has to 3. So this is the product of these two permutations here. So definitions are simple. So what are the definitions we study here? So what is the permutation? Then what is the equality of two permutations? Then what is the identity permutations? What is the inverse permutation? And what is the composite or product of two permutations? So we stop here.